what's up, guys?
What's up, brothers and sisters?
That's right, if you're Nuggets, what's going on?
We're having a good day here. Just played some basketball, had bowling, and had a good lunch at. Where did we eat today, man?
Frisch's.
Frisch's.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
He ate bologna. You know what? You know what Matt ate at Frisch's? Bologna.
What you did?
He ate a cat sandwich, man.
Oh, you did?
Have you ever seen anybody eat a cat sandwich before?
Look at Matt, guys. Just ate up.
Yeah, I made up.
That's the ate up boy.
Ate up boy. Ate up boy.
No, we're having a good day.
That's right.
Me, my brother Scotty Too Hottie, the big daddy from Cincinnati, and our brother Matt Roberts. We've had a pretty good day.
And Frank's a bad boy.
That's
Frank's
right.
a bad boy, and Matt hit me.
That's right. Anyway, I'm doing good. Hanging out today. I'm about to get home. All good.
Yeah. I'm gonna take Matt down to Philomath. Where men are men. Is your vest back here?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. You? Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, we'll do it again Friday, my brother.
That's right.
See what happens Friday. It's supposed to be a lot cooler Friday.
Hey guys, we're back home right now. And guys, see if you're watching, guys. Like, subscribe.
That's right. Thank you, folks. Back it up, my brother.
You.
Pack it up.
That's right.
He's a comedian.
Pack it up.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe.